Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to generate auto serial number by using different techniques like raw, is blank, subtotal, aggregate, count A, auto serial number, and Roman serial numbers. Let's begin. You can see here my data and different formulas I used it here. I will attach this Excel sheet with my YouTube video, don't worry about it. You can download from the link. You can see here I use the different formulas to generate auto serial number. We will see how we can do this one. See here, if I'm using a simple raw formula, what it will do. It is giving me a 3 number. Why? Because it is reading the 3 from the serial number, this one here. I want to give it to the serial number 1. What I will do, I will just write D1 is my cell reference. And then I will just drag the information down. The other way is to calculate equals to row, which row? The existing E3 row minus subtract the previous row, subtract from this row and fix the reference by pressing F4 key and close the bracket. You will find here automatically these number will be generated. Now the next is raw function using a specific cell information equals to rows, which rows? F1 to F1, F1 to F1. This is my reference. I'm going to close the bracket and the first information of this cell I'm going to lock it. That's all. And just drag this information. It's there now. The next method is equals to row, which row? This row equals to row this minus 1, and before this one I need to close this row bracket. That's all, and you will find the numbers here. Here I used some other method as well, which is, for example, now here if I'm using the raw function equals to raw, what we learned it here, it is reading the third cell of the information raw. I want to subtract this information from this one. Simply just click here and do -2. Why -2? Because two numbers are behind this one. So it will do the same for you, and now you can generate your other numbers. Here I used a simple methodology which we are as of now using. General number equals to this number plus 1. That's all. And you can drag the information down and it will be there. For example, now if I'm removing this serial number, what will be the reaction? You can see it here. Here, number 8, number number 8 gone. This reference is coming here. This one gone. This reference is available. And here, all your numbers are same as per the serial number. So better to use this method, which I'm going to make it blue for you. Light blue I'm using. Okay. This is, you can see, skipping the numbers. Here also you have a proper serial number. So you can use this technique or this technique. Next is, if you want a Roman numbers, you can do this one. Just use the formula of Roman equals to Roman. Use the row function. Okay, which row? This one. Bracket close, -1. And you will find here Roman numbers. Next is, we will use here is blank formula. In this is blank formula. What does this mean? See, if I'm removing this information, for example, here, you will not find the numbers here. Okay, wherever I will start filling the information, these numbers will be here. So we will see that how we can do this one. See here, the first number you will put it as it is, and the second one, what you will do, you will write the formula equals to if bracket started B4 equals to is blank within bracket false, comma, inverted comma start, inverted commas close, comma, and this one plus 1 and close the bracket. Now you can drag this information down. Okay, if the information is not here, it will not give you the reference number, it is blank. You can see it here. I am just removing some of the information, and as long as I'm writing, the automatically serial number will be start generating. You can see it here. Yeah, okay. The next is subtotal function. You can use here a subtotal function. What it does mean, how it will work. Equals to subtotal. Subtotal, you will use count A, number 3. Just click on this one, comma, and from where to where, this one, B3, colon, B3, and this first B3, fix this one by pressing F4 reference number. It will be same, this will not change, but these will be changed. Bracket close, bracket close, and enter. Now just push the information, you can get all the information. You can see it here. If I'm changing, I'm removing information, also doing something, its serial number is changing. Okay, then we are using the aggregate function. Aggregation, we will see that how it will work. It's also very easy. The same methodology, we will use it equals to if B3 equals to blank, comma, the same method, aggregate, aggregate, what aggregate? Count function, number 2, comma, ignore hidden rows. I'm selecting this one. Okay, ignore hidden rows, comma, okay. What it is, this information, A2, colon A2, and I'm just going to fix this value. This number only I'm going to fix it. I'm going to close the bracket, plus 1, and close the bracket. I'm adding just number in this one. So whenever I have information, you will see that one. Now I'm going to see wherever the information is available, it is start making your serial number. Get the point? If it is available here, you will get the serial number here as well. For example, I'm going to, you will see automatically updating the down numbers where aggregated is used. So this is aggregation. Okay. Now I'm using the count A function here in this formula. It is similar to that, but only I'm changing little bit here. I'm going to remove it. Okay. Equals to if B3 equals to blank, comma, blank, comma, count A. You will select from here count A. What count A? B3 to B3. This information to this information, bracket close, and this reference, the first reference, lock it. Now I will just drag the information down for you. You can see it, number is there. There is auto serial number available here in the Excel. You can generate automatically these numbers as well. We will see that how we can generate. For example, if I'm writing here 1 and further I need the numbers here, I will just go here, Home tab and fill. Here is an option serial, column, and up to what number I'm looking for, up to 20 for example I'm looking. Now you can see it is automatically filling the number. And if you need column, and now I'm looking in the rows, you will see here rows I have selected and 20. Okay, you can see up to 20 here filled by rows. And here for example you need to fill the numbers by spacing 2, 4, 6, 8 for example. Just come here again, click series, okay, and here just put 2, and you will find here up to, for example I'm looking up to 50. Okay, here I have not selected the 2, that's the reason. I will just click on the 2 and then row, then 2 and then press OK. There is some issue, we will see it why it is not doing. Okay, by trend, now linear growth autofill, now date growth by 2. We'll see it now. We'll use the different options. Justify serial, 50. Now you can see it here, it's available now. We were not selecting the option. Now you can see it row and given the range. For example, here in this one, number 7, I'm looking for 3. I will write here, just change it 3 up till 70, and that's all. 3 added automatically everywhere. So these are the basic methods which you can use for your data. Which one is the best? Either you can use the aggregate or subtotal. It is automatically calculating for you the numbers. It's up to you, up to your requirement, what you are looking for. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.